A wild week on Wall Street, especially for a locally based company.
Yeah, here's a look at AMC Theater's stock price this week. It started over there by Carolyn, all the way down at $5 a share. Then follow it. Look at this volatile week it had, and it shot up. It's now at $20 a share. It's been up and down ever since.
KCTV5 stands for you. At 4, we told you about the risk involved in this market manipulation going on. Joe Chiodo talked to a financial expert about keeping your money safe if you're thinking about buying in.
All of this stems from a group of small retail investors teaming up through an online forum on Reddit called Wall Street Bets. They started buying up shares of struggling stocks, all in an effort to overtake hedge funds betting against failing companies and make money in the process. GameStop was one of those. The stock soared, going from a value of $1.5 billion last week to $25 billion a couple days ago. A huge jump. KCTV5 stands for you. I spoke with a financial expert, Eric Siegel, about what the average person needs to know if they're considering getting in on this, making a trade. He says this won't last forever, so ask yourself this.
Do I think somebody should be buying something whose price is rising for no real reason, unjustifiably rising? So if everybody wants to buy the same car and you know that a year from now you're going to be able to sell that car for $10,000, are you going to buy that car for $15, $20, $25, $30, $35,000? No, it's crazy. Why would you do something like that?
And the most important part, he says, is to only buy using your own money.
If you're not buying on margin, meaning you're not borrowing money to buy the stock, and you're risking something that you can afford to lose, and you think, hey, if I'm going to risk $500 in a stock, and I don't care if I lose $500. My downside is $500, the most I can lose, right? But my upside might be $1,500 or $2,000. Great. That might be a risk that you're willing to do.
Leawood-based AMC is another company like GameStop that some social media users are now eyeing up. Siegel says only time will tell if the same thing happens with that stock. Joe Chiodo, KCTV5 News.